If x minus 3y is 4, what is 2 to the 3x divided by 2 to the 9y? Let's do this together. So same basis, so use x to the a over x to the b equals x to the a minus b, or cancel off 2 to leave 3x over 9y. You can try this step b there version, see what happens. You really should try these. But we should very likely just recognize the fact we have the same base, so we can just write 2 to the 3x minus 9y. Okay, we don't have 3x minus 9y. Our equation is x minus 3y equals 4. So do we stop or multiply x minus 3y equals 4 by 3? Which one? Again, pause and think about it. You really should be keeping account of how many you're getting right and wrong. That always helps. But what we can do is take x minus 3y equals 4 rather, and just multiply both sides by 3. That's going to give us 3x minus 9y equals 12. Why do we want 3x minus 9y equals 12? Because our exponent is 3x minus 9y. That's why. So replace 3x minus 9y in 2 to the 3x minus 9y with 3, or replace 3x minus 9y with 12 and 2 to the 3x minus 9y. Which one do we do? Well, we should do it with step B there, so our final answer is 2 to the 12th. Leave a like if this is helpful.